Hi there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll continue to cover another subject related to time tracking. More precisely, the do's and don'ts of it. We've already established what the benefits of time tracking at the workplace are. Increased productivity, improved time management, and more accurate billing are some of the best things that come along with it. But what should you take into account before implementing time tracking in your company? Well, we've compiled a do's and don'ts list for you to follow. First, do inform your team. It's important to understand that employee monitoring is meant to encourage transparency between the team and the management. That being said, it's just ethical to let your employees know that they're being monitored. Otherwise, you're practicing double standards. Another do is using time tracking as a motivational boost. Allow your employees to see how they're doing in comparison with their colleagues. That way, they'll be motivating themselves to work even harder, because no one wants to be the worst performing member of the team. It's also important that you focus on the big picture, pay attention to the extreme cases and continued patterns. For example, do pay attention to the employee who's consistently missing deadlines, but don't make a scene out of a one-time delay. Why? Because there might be several reasons behind it. You should ask your employee privately what caused the delay and find the best solution to overcome this issue. Now let's talk about don'ts. Don't ever use time tracking to stick your nose into your employee's personal life, even if something private is caught on the software. Monitoring your employees is one thing. However, using the data to interfere with their private lives is unethical and illegal. Another thing you should keep in mind, threatening your team is a huge mistake. Acting like Big Brother is ineffective in the long term, so don't monitor employee computer activity with the aim of intimidating your team. You shouldn't contact your employees about every little thing. Fear is not the route to productivity, especially when it comes to knowledge workers. And lastly, forget micromanaging. Unless you want to lower your team's morale and increase your employee turnover rate, that is. Give your employees autonomy and use employee internet monitoring as a tool to help them stay on track. At the end of the day, you have to remember that if you're thinking about implementing time tracking software in your company, you have to be ready for an open and honest conversation about it. Communicate the possibilities and give your team answers behind the need for time tracking tools. If you do so, most likely your employees will have no objections and the results and feedback will be more effective. That's it! Thanks for watching! We hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel for more videos about time tracking, or go to our website to read more about why your company should start using time tracking tools. The link will be in the description box below. So have a great and productive day, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Bye!